Alright folks, it's Mark Sugar here at Dodge City in Saskatoon on the corner of 8th Street East and Preston Avenue. And we have a Series 2 Jeep Wagoneer here. $83,000 Canadian dollars. 7 ports in the front, nice Wagoneer badging on the front there. We have this in white and black. So got the side steps on there. Nice rims. Let's take a look at the front. Nice doors. Alpine stereo system, 10-inch screen, Uconnect 5, still got the plastic on it. Look at the console. Let's look at the second row. Three seats in the back. 3 seats in the front, so that's 2 in the front, so that's an 8-passenger vehicle right there. So this will fold down nice. That's just about flat. It's a little better look at your back seats there. Okay, let's take a peek at the back here. Oh, there's a car in my way here. We'll get in here. More fuel cap. Yeah, you got room there. Okay. Nice badging here. This is the Quadra-Trac 1 4x4 system. Series 2. A little muddy out today. Let's take a look at the back. Huge. Speakers in the back, 3 child seats in the back here, cargo room here, get your spare tire down from there, your jack is under there. Nice. Okay, your hitches over there as well. Blowing there, so you already saw in here. I guess I'll show you the window sticker here. So 2022 model year, base price $80,495, and then with the options, which is just customer preferred package 22J, so with the destination charge it comes to $83,290, and gas mileage on this one on the highway would be 11.7 liters per 100 kilometers. In the city it's 15.6, so that's a combined of 13.8, or if you're in the States, that's 20 miles per gallon. Take a look. 4-way lumbar support here. Your seats forward, back. This goes up, down, every which way. Memory seats here. Your mirror adjustments. All your buttons, blind spot monitoring, defrost the mirrors, nice leather wrap steering wheels. This is a whole screen right here. That's a whole screen. Very nice. Let's get in here. Oh, and it feels so comfortable to sit in here. Adaptive cruise control, all your buttons here. Wireless Apple CarPlay, your heated seats. Air-cooled seats, heated steering wheel on the side there. This whole thing will light up. Very nice. Wireless charge pad right here. It's very deep in there. Here are your different modes for your 4x4. And what else we got here? Hazards. USB plug-in. Huge console. Huge. Look how deep it is. Nice. Everything's nice to the touch. The leather up here. Put your sunglasses. Oh, here's a mirror so you can see family members in the back there. And put your sunglasses in there. Your lights. All your buttons up here. Your trunk release here. Mirrors, of course, they're just like any other car. Your universal garage door buttons right there. And there you go. There's a good look at the Wagoneer. I'm going to lock it up for now. We'll get the keys. We're going to do a part 2. We're going to look at some of the higher trim levels, including the Obsidian. got to do a pre-delivery inspection on this one, and it will be good to go. 83,000 Canadian dollars. And there it is. There's the white Jeep Wagoneer Series 2. You can get the Series 3, and then you can get the Grand Wagoneer with more features, such as, well, I'm going to save it for the video. Tune in and see the next video on the Jeep Wagoneer Obsidian. Talk to you soon, and I have more information on my website at www.marksugardrives.com.